Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Start with safety first. In this video, I will show you how to remove a Ford Ecosport back tire. Always ensure your vehicle is on a flat, stable surface with the parking brake engaged. For extra security, place wheel chocks in front of the front wheels. Gather your tools, the spare tire, jack, and lug wrench, usually found in the boot. Before lifting, slightly loosen the lug nuts on the wheel you intend to remove. Now let's safely lift your Ecosport. Carefully position the jack under the designated jacking point, which you can find in your owner's manual. This ensures proper support and prevents damage. Begin to slowly raise the vehicle, watching carefully as the tire lifts completely off the ground. Always prioritize stability. If the vehicle seems unsteady, lower it and reposition the jack. With the vehicle safely elevated, it's time to remove the tire. Use your lug wrench to fully unscrew all the lug nuts. Once they are loose enough, you can remove them by hand. Keep these nuts in a secure place so they don't roll away. Now, carefully pull the flat tire straight off the wheel studs. It might be a bit heavy, so use both hands. Place it safely out of your way. Almost done. Grab your spare tire and carefully align its holes with the wheel studs. Push it firmly onto the hub. Now, hand tighten all the lug nuts onto the studs. Once they are snug, slowly lower the vehicle until the spare tire just touches the ground. Finally, use the lug wrench to fully tighten all the lug nuts in a star pattern, ensuring they are secure. Double-check all 5 nuts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.